Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Snowflake databases using Snowflake Data Sharing, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Snowflake databases using Snowflake Data Sharing, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Identify the database that you wish to backup. Before initiating the backup, ensure that you have the necessary access privileges. Next, check if your organization has enabled the data sharing feature. If not, contact your administrator to enable this functionality. Once confirmed, open the database you want to share. Locate the Shares option in the database menu. Click on the Create Share button. Provide a descriptive name for your share. Define the data objects you want to include in the share. Select the schemas and tables from your database to be shared. Ensure that the selected objects align with your backup requirements. After selecting the necessary objects, move on to the configuration options. Here, you can set any data sharing permissions that may be required. Once everything is configured, click Create to finalize your data share. Now, you will need to add the account that will receive the share. Obtain the account identifier of the receiving Snowflake account. Go back to your share settings and find the Add Accounts option. Input the account identifier and submit the request. The receiving account will then receive a notification of the shared data. Instruct the recipient to accept the data share through their Snowflake interface. Once accepted, the recipient can access the shared database. This access can serve as a backup method, ensuring data availability. Lastly, regularly review the shared data to keep your backup up to date. Consider automating this process by scheduling regular data shares for ongoing backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.